Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the Samsung 27-inch washer-dryer pedestal stand with pull-out laundry storage drawer. If you're tired of bending over to load and unload your washer or dryer, this pedestal will give your laundry a lift, raising your appliances by more than a foot off the ground for a smooth and comfortable laundry experience. But that's not all. This pedestal also features an easy-to-access built-in storage drawer, allowing you to keep all your laundry essentials together in one convenient place, keeping your space tidy and organized. And if you want to take things to the next level, you can order two pedestals and position them side by side to elevate your space while adding extra storage. Compatible with Samsung 27 front-load washer and dryers, this pedestal measures 27 width x 14.2 height x 28.1 depth and weighs 36.6 pounds. Plus, with Samsung's trusted name in home appliances and electronics, you can trust that you're getting a quality product. So, if you're ready to give your laundry room a lift and keep your space tidy and organized, be sure to check out the Samsung 27-inch washer-dryer pedestal stand with pull-out laundry storage drawer. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home appliance and electronics reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.